Finally, chicken, yes.
Chicken adobo. The best dish in the Philippines.
Yeah, now look, this is my favorite right here. Who? You cooked it?
That's a traditional food in the
No,
Philippines.
this is like chicken.
Here we go.
No, it's chicken or it's like chicken?
It's chicken.
Yo,
Yan, paborito rin mo, sir.
Here we go.
This is what?
Yeah, it's good. That's good. What is this called? Adobo?
adobo.
Adobo?
Yes, adobo.
Yeah, adobo's good.
It's hot.
Huh? It's good. Chat, this is good. This is good right here. This adobo good. Now look, if I was in the Philippines, I'll be eating this every day. Yes. This is good. I like this right here. Good.
Sir, malaya ka sa mga.
Oo, good ka. Depende ka para ano.
Let me get one more. Let me get one more. I don't want to go too crazy.
This is the best part, Pete. This is the best part.
He's the one who cooked it.
Yeah.
What the hell is you, a cook?
Get this. Get this part. Get this part.
Best part is the feet. Where's
Yeah.
the feet?
Ito, boss. Thai. Thai part.
Yung feet. Yung paa.
Ito.
Yo, Slips, my chest saying you gotta eat it.
Yeah.
Yung paa na
I can hold the camera for you. Let's get this.
Ito.
You gotta eat it, bro.